Practice it. 1.3, sum number 5. In trapezium PQRS, PQ is parallel to RS. AR is equal to 5AP and AS is equal to 5AQ. Prove that SR is equal to 5PQ. Now when you look at the question, AR is equal to 5AP. This is given to us. AS is equal to 5AQ. This is also given to us. When you look at the segments AR and AP, AS and AQ, they belong to two diagonals. And yes, we see two triangles between these two diagonals. And we need to prove that SR should be equal to 5PQ. That's it. This completes our triangle. So this is how we get two triangles. And if I prove these two triangles similar by any chance, I'll get the final answer by using CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangle. So let us start proving these two triangles similar. Proof. AR is equal to 5AP given to us. Chalo, let us create the ratio because the entire chapter is based on ratio. Therefore, AR upon AP is equal to 5. Let us mark it as equation number 1. Second, AS is equal to 5AQ given to us. Therefore, AS upon AQ is equal to 5. Equation number 2. Now, when you look at this equation number 1 and 2, AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ because RH is equal, LH is equal. So we got the ratios for two sides. That means two pairs of sides are in proportion. And students, we know it. If only two pairs of sides are in proportion, we have a test for it. That is SAS. So since angle is missing, we can get angle. Yes, you are correct. Vertically opposite angles. So let us start writing it further. In triangle ASR and triangle AQP, AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ. This is from equation number 1 and 2. Apart from these two pairs of sides, we have angle. So let us write it. Therefore, angle SAR is congruent to angle QAP, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, we know it. Triangles are similar by SAS test for similarity. But wait, there is a problem. Suppose if I name the first triangle ASR, we need to name the second triangle as well. So the first letter is A. We know angle A is equal to angle A. So let us write A there. S. Now when you look at the first ratio, look at the missing letter in the numerator. Yes, S is missing. So this is the technique. So अगर ऊपर S missing है तो नीचे AP के लिए क्या missing है? Q. So in place of S, let us write Q. A हो गया, Q हो गया, बचा कौन? P. So let us write P. This is how we name the triangle using the combination of vertically opposite angle and the missing letter. Next, since we need to prove something, we need to create ratio. So let us start creating ratio. Therefore, SR upon PQ is equal to AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ. This is from CSST. Now AR upon AP and AS upon AQ are both equal to 5. So let us consider only AR upon AP. Therefore, SR upon PQ is equal to 5. This is from equation number 1. Let us bring PQ in the numerator on the right hand side. Therefore, SR is equal to 5PQ. And this is what we wanted to prove. That's it. Thank you.